car is being attacked by giant squid.
No. It's the squid.
It's inked all over our windows. And we can't see out. Ah! Oh no! Don't get the children! Please!
We're gonna crush us from the top.
Please save us! If anybody sees us, please send help to the NASCAR car wash!
Please!
We're inside the tunnel!
Please!
We're under attack! Doc, everybody get down! Get down! You leave the children alone! They're innocent! God, look at this rain, man. I just had my car washed. Oh, it's the big squid! It's sucking my will to live! Oh no, Foxy is scared too! Help us, Foxers! Help us! I think we made it. Oh, tornado! Oh, great! So what? From a squid to a tornado! Oh, torrential rain happening here live at the NASCAR car wash. Oh my gosh! Look at that! Rain X works. Oh, look at all the beads going away. That's cool. Oh, what do you think? Did we make it? It's really windy out here, isn't it?
I think I should put down my window.
Cyclone!
Come on, go.
I can't. The wind is holding us back.
Green light, hurry.
And we're locked in until we see that green light.
I'm putting down the window.
No, don't put down the window. Definitely do not put down the window. And we're watching for the green light so we get out of here. So we get unlocked. Ready? Where's that? Green light!
Go.
Woo! Life's an adventure!